is the university and library, the big ones,
Aha.
in front of us.
Stina. Makita ba Stina?
Oh, now there's a line. Let's see. Now it's blue.
Yeah.
And if you turn to the left, slowly, now you can see the boats and everything. To the
Okay.
left. To the left.
Okay. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's a lighthouse.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, wow.
The boats used to go from here to Copenhagen with a restaurant and cafe. And
Okay.
it took, I think, about 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of my first memories of a restaurant.
Okay.
Eating with my granddad
Mm-hmm.
in the dark wooden restaurant with white cloths on the tables.
Okay.
On the left here,
Yeah.
they are building a new living area. So it's very nice. And soon you will see the turning torso again.
Yes.
It's behind that house.
The landmark.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of that flag?
That flag is only insurance company.
Oh, insurance company.
So it's only commercial.
Okay.
And there you have the turning torso.
Yeah, behind the at the back of the building.
Now we're going to the free parking,
Okay.
close to that Ica Maxi where we were yesterday. When I didn't start my parking.
That's why you have fine.
Yeah.
Oh, but the trees is getting, the trees
The trees, yes,
is
it's getting yellow.
yellow.
Half naked.
Yeah,
It's
Like-
different from tree to tree.
yeah, it's starting to.
Sorry, I have to stop.
Okay.
The foot people have always had the right to walk. They never have to stop.
Okay.
And there behind is the Ica
Ica.
and the square with the
Okay.
restaurant.
This building is nice. Oh, the big one. Yeah. Oh, that is the turning torso.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we go in here and we only have to put the clock symbol.
It's a
Park
free
to-
park here.
Free park 2 hours.
Okay.
And then we change it. Sometimes you have to move the car.
Mm-hmm.